Bailey's has been in the commercial turf industry for over 60 years, and you can use the same professional products at home. Applying a granular fertiliser is a simple first step to dramatically improve your garden.
If you're just getting started in lawn care, apply Bailey's TURFECT Energy at early spring, summer and autumn each year. TURFECT Energy is a 3-in-1 fertiliser that contains a fusion of fast and slow release nutrients, soil improvers and bio-stimulants in the one easy to apply mini granule. Apply at a rate of 35 to 50 grams per square metre. For example, 100 square metres of lawn equals 5 kilograms of TURFECT Energy. TURFECT Energy has premium levels of nutrients that produce deep green, thick leaf growth. TURFECT Energy has BioWish microbe technology, which enhances root mass, nutrient uptake and native microbe populations. It also has added humates and organic soil improvers to reduce leaching and sustain nutrient release. Then watering well or time application just before it rains.
To keep your lawn looking its best, apply every 6 to 8 weeks and maintain a regular mowing and watering schedule.
For more tips on taking your lawn to the next level, visit our website. Find Bailey's TURFECT Energy at Bunnings and leading garden retailers. Happy gardening from Bailey's.